All right, so I've gotten down just about 1.5 feet, close to 2 feet. Didn't take long to get past the frost because we've been in sort of a thawing trend here for the last probably 48 hours, so I figured it would be enough to break through. But anyway, the important thing is that most of what I'm encountering is sand. But you can see, these are all examples of what's been pulled out of the ground on the back of the property. So it's all really stony. Anyway, I'm happy to be encountering this. It's almost like it was meant to be here. So let's hope. All right, so here's where we are about almost a half an hour later. I shouldn't have spoke so soon because all of a sudden I'm hitting rocks. I'm down about 29 inches. There's one down there on the left, and that's a bear. I'm hoping it's not part of a bigger one. But anyway, it's inch by inch here. And but as you can see, this is mostly sand. It's like oatmeal. And it's starting to rain a little bit harder. Doesn't look so good, but anyway, back to work. All right, so finally, I went up and borrowed a pry bar from a buddy of mine and got down the last 9 inches. And there she is, the DPE 100 in the ground as it's just starting to snow. And the reason I wanted to, I'm trying to force this issue right now is because supposedly we're supposed to get a bomb cyclone, whatever that is, but along with it comes high wind. So I want to see if we're spared all that nasty wind and get away with a little bit of snow. Anyway, we'll get back to work and get this thing buried. All right, there it is. She's in the ground. The DPE 100, Defense of Planet Earth. And so now we are armed against the bomb cyclone. Let's see what happens.